In this video, we will talk about how to factory reset Windows 11. Click on Windows icon, open Settings. On the left, click on System. Scroll it down, select Recovery. In Reset This PC, click on Reset PC. Choose one option. If you select Keep My Files, it reinstalls Windows but keeps your personal files. If you choose Remove Everything, it reinstalls Windows and delete all files, apps, and settings. By doing so, you will have your Windows factory reset. I'm selecting Keep My Files. Here, you can choose Cloud Download, and it downloads a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft. Or you can go with Local Reinstall to reinstall Windows from the files on your device. For me, I'm selecting Cloud Download. Now click on Next and wait until it completes. So that's how you can factory reset Windows 11. See you in the next video.